At Be Positive, they manufacture their range of composite full-size hive boxes on-site. Now, here's Steve to explain the manufacturing process.
Today we're going to assemble some of our composite boxes. We have our stainless steel jig because it doesn't leave any marks and the boxes slide off it easy. So we've got our pre-drilled panels, a handful of our stainless steel screws. These have been specially manufactured for this type of box. They're a 60mm screw, so it's held in really well. First screw is really important to get it spot on. They go in pretty easy, these composites. No painting, no rotting. Bees like them very much. I've changed 3/4 of my hives over them. I've got about 50 hives and I've had no drop in honey production or any adverse side effects from these boxes. They won't need repainting because they don't rot. They're a little bit lighter than a wood box, but have the same insulated properties. We make them out of a 20mm panel, machine them up, pre-drill all the holes so everything's consistent and regular. These aren't the cheapest boxes, but they work and they'll save you money in the future on maintenance, no rotting, bees love them, and we've put all the good things on them. They've got good handles, they've got entrance discs or ventilation discs. Turn that around for ventilation at the back of your hive. You can open it at the front of your hive as an entrance, or you can blank it off if you choose, depending on the weather that you have. And there we have another great composite box.
Make sure you check out the range of composite full-size hive boxes manufactured on-site along with other beekeeping supplies and raw honey available in-store at Be Positive in Yandina and online at bepositive.com.au.